Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about one practice problem based on the concept of list whatever we have discussed in our previous video. Okay, so the problem says given a non-empty array of integers, every element appears twice except for one. Okay, and you have to find that one. Like if you consider the sample test case, if input is 2 to 1, then output should be 1 because 2 is appearing 2 times but 1 is appearing only 1 time, so output should be 1. If you consider the example 2, suppose my input list is 4 1 2 1 2, then see 4 is appearing only once whereas 1 and 2 appearing 2 times. Okay, so output should be 4. Now try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem. Try to implement that. Check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. Okay, the key point in the whole problem is we have to find the odd frequency element, and whenever frequency related concept comes in list, what function I have taught you related to frequency, that is count. So we can use count function to get the frequency of element. We will check whether that is odd or even. If it is odd, that means that is our desired number. That's all, simple, right? So n equal to, suppose I am taking this particular list. Okay, I am not taking user input. If you want, you can take. For I in n, I am traversing. Then I will check. That is our desire is odd frequency, right? So in our list, I will check whether what is the count, count count of ith element, whether that is when that is divided by 2, if remainder is 0 or not. Okay, so if remainder not equal to 0, that means that is our desired output. So here what I am doing, I am creating one dummy variable m equal to 0 to store that. So m equal to I. Okay, so we got our number. As soon as we got our number, no need to proceed further, so break the loop. Okay, and here print m. That's all. Let us check. Just simply run. See, output we are getting as 4, which is our desired output. Let us check with this one, 2 to 1. So if you run, see, you will be getting output as 1. Okay, so this is how whenever you will be getting problem related to frequency in case of list, you should go via count method. In some simple lines, 4 to 5 lines, you can get the answer. Okay, so this is all for this video. This is one kind of important practice problem for different service and product company based placement process. Obviously this particular problem can be solved in some more optimized way. There is one concept of XOR is there which can be used to solve this particular problem, but I don't want to discuss that one. I want that you should at least try to solve the problem based on whatever concept you know. At the end you should get the result. For the time being, I want that only, my expectation from your side. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. The same code I am going to post in the description box. If you want, you can check there. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.